May the peace, blessings, and mercy of God be upon you. Hello everyone in Junior 4. I am Mrs. Yasmin Yasser. I am going to be your math teacher for our lesson now. We studied in the previous lesson how can we read the big numbers, the relation between place value and how can we make the largest number and the smallest number by using more digits. In today's lesson, we are going to study many ways to express any number. We have many ways to express or write the big numbers. The first one is called standard form. The standard form, we write the number as it is and use commas to separate each 3-digit pair from the right and going to the left. Let's take a given example. Now, we have 4 families. The first family is called ones. And the second family is called thousands. And the third family is called millions. And the fourth or the biggest family is called billions. Now, each family has 3 places. It is ones, it is tens, it is hundred. It is ones, it is tens, it is hundred. It is ones, it is tens, it is hundred. It is ones. We studied only one place in the billions family until now. Now, another example given. This is the first family, and this is the second family, and this is the third family, and this is the fourth family. Each family has 3 places, and as we go from one place to the next higher place, the digit increase in value by the multiples of 10. By the multiples of 10. We know that 10 has 1 0 and 100 has 2 zeros and 1000 has 3 zeros and the 1 million has 6 zeros. 3 for the first family and 3 for the second family. 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. This is 1 million. And 1 billion has how many zeros? 3 for the first family and 3 for the second family and 3 for the third family. It will be 9 zeros. 1 2 3, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Now, the second one is called expanded form. We breaking down the number by using the value for each digit and separating between them by using a plus sign. Now, for this example given, we need to convert this number from the standard form to expanded form. Now, we have 4 families. The first family is called ones, and the second family is called thousands, and the third family is called millions, and the fourth family is called billions. Each family has 3 places, ones and the tens and the hundred, ones and the tens and the hundred, ones, tens, hundred. This is ones until now. Now we start from the left. We need to write the value for the digit 4. The digit 4 is in the billions place. Billions has 9 zeros, so we need to write 4 billions. 4 and 9 zeros. This 3, this 3, this 3. Then we write plus sign. The next digit is 5. So 5 is in the 100 millions place. So we need to write 500 millions. 500 million. At the first we write 500. Then millions has 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Then write plus sign. The second digit is 0. But the value for digit 0 in any place, it will be 0. The next digit is 6. 6 is in the millions place. So we need to write 6 million. At the first we write 6. Then 6 zeros 4 million. Then we write plus sign. The next digit is 0. The value for the digit 0 is 0. The next digit is 5. 5 is in the 10,000. So we need to write 50,000. At the first we write 50. Then 3 zeros 4,000. Now the next digit is 4. 4 is in the 1,000 place. So we need to write 4,000. Plus sign, then 4,000, 3 zeros. Then we write plus sign. Now the next digit is 3. 3 is in the ones place. If the digit in the ones place, we don't write anything. We write 3 as it is and don't write any zeros. Now let's take another example. We need to write the big numbers from the standard form to expanded form. We write the name of each family above. The first family is called ones and the second is called thousands and the third family is called millions and the fourth is called billions or milliard. Now, each family has 3 places, ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100 and ones, tens, 100, it is ones. We start from the left. The digit 9 is in the billions place, and if the digit 9 is in the billions place, we write 9 zeros. So we write 9, then 9 zeros. Then we write plus sign. The next digit is 7. 7 is in the 100 millions. So we need to write 700 million. At the first we write 700, then 6 zeros 4 million. Then we write plus sign. The next digit is 1. 1 is in the 10 million. So we need to write 10 million. At the first we write 10, then 6 zeros 4 million. Then we write plus sign. The next digit is 0. The value for the digit 0 is 0. And then we go to the next digit as 4. 4 is in the 100,000 place. So we need to write 400,000. So we need to write 400, then 3 zeros 4,000. Then we write plus sign. The next digit is 3. 3 is in the 10,000. So we need to write 30,000. At the first we write 30. Then 3 zeros 4,000. 4,000. The next digit is 6. 6 is in the 1,000 place. So we need to write 6,000. We write 6, then 3 zeros 4,000. And we write plus sign. The next digit is 0. The value for the digit 0 is 0. We don't write anything. The next digit is 4. 4 is the 10 place. So we write 40. And the next digit and the last digit is 1. If the digit in the ones place, we write 1 and don't write any zeros. That's how we can write the number from the standard form to expanded form. The second one is called word form. What is the meaning of the word form? Word form, we write the number by using letters. Let's take a given example. We need to write this number from the standard form to the word form. How can we read this number? At the first, we write the name, each family above. This is ones and this is thousands. And this is millions. And the fourth family is called billions. Now, each family has three places, ones and the tens and the hundred. Ones and the tens and the hundred. Ones and the tens and the hundred, and we studied only one place in the billions family until now. Now, we start from the left and read each family alone. We need to write this 4 billions. This is 4 billions or also milliard. Now, we go to the millions family. We need 506 millions. 506 millions. 506 millions. Then we go to the thousands family. We have 0 on the left, but 0 on the left not has a value. So we read this number 54, what? 54,000. 54,000. So we need to write the family of ones. We have 2 zeros, and if the 0 on the left we don't have a value, so we need to write 3 ones, but ones, the word ones not read, so we write and 3. Let's take another given example. At the first, we write the name of each family above. This family is called ones, and this family is called thousands. And the third family is called millions. And the fourth, or the biggest family, is called billions or milliard. Now, we start from the left and read each family alone. Now, each family has 3 places. It is ones, it is tens, it is hundred. It is ones, tens, it is hundred. It is ones, it is tens, it is hundred. It is ones. We start from the left. 9 what? 9 billions. 9 billions. Then we go to the family of millions. We read 410. 10 what? 10 million. 710 million. Then we go to the family of thousand. We read 436. 436 what? 36,000. 436. 36 what? 36,000. Then we go to the family of ones. We have a 0 on the left, but a 0 on the left not has a value. So we read this number 41, and the word ones not read, so we write 41. That how can we read the big numbers or convert the number from the standard form to the word form. The fourth one is talking about expanded notation form or decomposing form. What is the meaning of decomposing form? We breaking down the number by using place value for each digit. So we write the digit as it is, each digit as it is, multiplied by its place value, and we separating between them by using plus sign. Let's take a given example. We need to convert this number from standard form to expanded notation form or decomposing form. At the first, we write the family of each. We write the name of each family above. This is ones, and this is thousand, and this is millions, and this is billions. Now, each family has three places, ones and the tens and the hundred, ones and the tens and the hundred, ones, tens, hundreds, this is ones. Now, we start from the left. The digit 4. We write the digit 4 multiplied by its place. The digit 4 is in the billions place. So we multiply by 1 billion. 1 billion has 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Between brackets. Then we write plus sign. The next digit is 5, so we write 5. Multiplied by its place. Its place is 100 million. So we need to write 100 million. At the first we write 100, then 6 zeros, 4 millions. Between brackets. Then we write plus sign. The next digit is 0, but the value for the digit 0 is 0. So we go to the next digit. The next digit is 6. 6 is in the millions place. So we write 6 multiplied by 1 million. 1 million has 6 zeros. Between brackets. Then we write plus sign. The next digit is 0. We don't write anything. Then we go to the next digit. The next digit is 5. 5 is in the 10,000 place. So we write 5 multiplied by 10,000. At the first we write 10, then 3 zeros, 4,000 between brackets. Then we write plus sign. Then we go to the next digit. The next digit is 4. 4 is in the thousand place. So we write 4 multiplied by 1,000 between brackets. Then we write plus. Then we go to the next digit. The next digit is 0. We don't write anything. The digit 0. No, don't write anything. Then we reach to 3. 3 is in the ones place. So we write 3 multiplied by 1. Then we finish. Let's take another given example. We need to convert this number from the standard form to expanded notation form or decomposing form. Write the name of each family above. This is ones, and the second one is called thousands, and the third one is called millions, and the fourth one is called billions or milliard. Now, each family has 3 places, ones and the tens and the hundred, ones and the tens and the hundred, ones, and tens and hundred it is ones until now. Now we start from the left. We write the digit 9 multiplied by its place is billions. So we write 1 billion. 1 billion has 9 zeros, 3 and 3 and 3. Between brackets, then we write plus sign. The next digit is 7. 7 is in the 100 millions. In the 100 million. So we write 7 multiplied by 100. Then 6 zeros, 4 millions. Between brackets, then we write plus sign. The next digit is 1. 1 is the 10 millions place. So we write 1. So we write 1 multiplied by 10 million. The first we write 10, then 6 zeros, 4 millions. Between brackets, then we write plus sign. Then we go to the next digit is 0. We don't write anything. Go to the next digit is 4. 4 is in the 100,000 place. So we multiply by 100, then 3 zeros, 4,000. Between brackets, then we write plus. The next digit is 3. 3 is in the 10,000 place. So we write 3 multiplied by 10 and 3 zeros, 4,000. Between brackets, then we write plus sign. The next digit is 6. 6 is in the 1,000 place. So we write 6 multiplied by 1,000. Between brackets, then we write plus sign. Now the next digit is 0. The value for the digit 0 is 0. So we don't write anything. Then we go to the next digit is 4. 4 is in the tens place. So we write 4 multiplied by 10. Tens place. Between brackets, then we write plus. Finally, we reach to 1. 1 is in the ones place. So we write 1 multiplied by 1. 1 multiplied by 1 between brackets. That's how we can this number from the standard form to expanded notation form or decomposing form. Let's take an example. Write the following numbers in the standard form. This number is written in expanded form. We need to compose this number and write it in the standard form. Now, at the first, we must write the place value for each digit. The digit 9 in which family? First or second or third or fourth? In the fourth family. The fourth family is called billions. Now, the digit 8 in which family? This is first, this is second, this is third. In the third family. The third family is called millions. In which place? Ones or tens? Tens. Tens what? 10 millions. Now, the digit 7. In which family? In the third family. The third family is called millions. In which place? Ones or tens or hundred? In the ones. For the ones on 3, then the digit 7 is in the millions place. Now, the digit 6 in the second family, and the second family is called thousand. In which place? Ones or tens? Tens. Tens what? 10,000 place. And the digit 1 is in the thousand place, because we have 3 zeros. Now, the digit 2 is in the 100 place, because it has 2 zeros. And the digit 4 is in the tens place, because it has 1 zero. And the digit 6 is in the ones place. Now, we start from the left and write the digit in the highest place. The digit 9 is in the highest place. So we write 9. We finish this family, so we make commas. The next higher place is 100 million, but we don't found any digit in this place. So we hold this place with 1 0. Then the next higher place is 10 million. We found 8, so we write 8. Then the next higher place is million. We find 7, so we write 7. We finish the family of millions, so we make commas. Then we go to the second family. The next higher place is 100,000. We don't write any digit in the 100,000, so we hold this place with 0. Then we're going to the next higher place is 10,000. We find 6, so we write 6. Then we go to the next higher place as 1,000. We found 1, so we write 1. We finish this family, so we make commas. Then we go to the first family. The next higher place is 100. We found 2. Then we go to the next higher place as 4 in the 10th place. Then we go to the next higher place as 6, so we write 6. This is number in the standard form. Let's take another given example. We need to convert this number from expanded form to the standard form. We need to compose it. The digit 2 is in the 10th place, and the digit 5 is in the 1st place, and the digit 4 is in the 1000th place, and the digit 2 in the first family or second family, on third family, on fourth family, in the fourth family. The fourth family is called billions. Now, the digit 6 in which family? First or second or third? In the third family. Now, in which place? Ones or tens on 100? On the 100. 100 what? 100 millions place. Now, the digit 7. The digit 7 in the third family, and the third family is called millions. In which place? Ones or tens? Tens. Tens what? Tens millions. Then the digit 6 is in ones place, and the digit 3 is in the 100 place. Now we start from the left and write the highest, the digit in the highest place. Which digit? We have billions, so we write 2. We finish this family, so we make commas. The next higher place is 100 million. We found 6, so we write 6. The next higher place is 10 million. We found 7. The next higher place is million, but we don't found any digit in this place, so we hold this place with 0. Then we finish this family, we make commas. Now the next higher place is 100,000. We don't found any digit in this place, so we hold this place with 0. Then we going to the next higher place as 10,000. We don't found any digit in this place, so we hold this place with 0. The next higher place is 1000. We found 4, so we write 4. We finish this family, so we make commas. Then we go to the next higher place as 100. We found the digit 3, so we write 3. The next higher place is 10. We found 2. So we write 2. The next half, the last place as ones. We found 2 digits, 5 and 6. We get the sum of them. 6 plus 5 equal 11. Now, can we write 11 at one place? No. So we write 1 and carry up 1 to the next digit. 1 plus 2 equal 3. So we cross out 2 and write 3. That's as how can we write the number from the expanded form to standard form. Let's take another example. Write the following numbers in the standard form. We need to convert the following number from the word form to the standard form. At the first, when we have numbers in the word form, we circle the name of each family. We make a circle on each family. Now, and we start from the left because the family of milliard be on the left. Now, the family of milliard has 2. So we write 2. We finish this family, so we make commas. The next higher family is millions. The family of millions has 70. This is 70. We studied that each family has 3 places, ones and tens and hundred. But we only have 2 places. So we hold the 100 place with 1 0. Then we write 70. We finish this family. We make commas. The family of 1000 has 302. So we write 302. 2 in the ones, not in the tens. We finish this family. We make commas. The family of ones, not read. We have 4. We studied that each family has 3 zeros. But we only has 1 digit in the ones place. So we write 2 zeros, then we write 4. We finish. Let's take another example. When we have numbers in the word form, circle the name of each family. We make a circle on millions and on 1000. Now, we start from the left. The family of millions has 324. So we write 324. 324. We finish this family. We make commas. The family of 1000 has 56. We studied that each family has 3 places, ones and tens and hundred. But we only have 2 places, so we hold the 100 place with 1 0, then we write 56. We finish this family, so we make commas. The family of ones has 490. So we write 490. That is how we can the right number from the word form to the standard form. Let's take another example. Write the following numbers in the standard form. We need to convert this number from the expanded notation form to the standard form. We must write the place value for each digit. The digit 3 multiplied by 1 billions. So the digit 3 is in the billions place. And the digit 4 multiplied by 10 millions. So is in the 10 millions place. And the digit 7 multiplied by 1 million is in the millions place. And the digit 6 multiplied by 10 is in the 10 place. And the digit 5 multiplied by 100 is in the 100 place. And the digit 9 multiplied by 100,000. So is in the 100,000 place. And the digit 2 multiplied by 10,000. So is in the 10,000 place. Now we start from the left and write the digit in the highest place, which is 3. We finish this family. We make comments. The next highest place is 100 million, but we don't have any digit in this place, so we hold this place with 1 0. The next higher place is 10 million. We found 4, so we write 4. The next higher place is million. We found 7, so we write 7. We finish this family. We make commas. The next higher place is 100,000. We found 9, so we write 9. The next higher place is 10,000. We found 2, so we write 2. The next higher place is 1,000, but we don't have any digit in this place, so we hold this place with 1 0. We finish this family, so we make commas. The next higher place is 100, so we write 5. The next higher place is tens. We find 6, so we write 6. The next place is ones, but we don't have any digit in this place, so we hold this place with 1 0. We finish this number. Another example. At the first, we must write the place value for each digit. The place value for the digit 7 multiplied by 1 million. So the digit 7 is in the millions place. The digit 6 multiplied by 10 millions. So is in the 10 millions place. The digit 9 multiplied by 10,000 in the 10,000 place. The digit 4 multiplied by 100,000 in the 100,000 place. 1 multiplied by 1,000 is in the 1,000 place. 2 multiplied by 100 and 3 multiplied by 10. So 3 is in the tens place. At the first, we start from the left and write the digit in the highest place, which is 10 millions. We found 6, so we write 6. The next higher place is millions. We found 7, so we write 7. We finish this family, so we make commas. The next higher place is 100,000. We found 4, so we write 4. The next higher place is 10,000. We found 9, so we write 9. The next higher place is 1,000. We found 1, so we write 1. We finish this family, so we make commas. The next higher place is 100. We found 2. We write 2. The next higher place is tens. We found 3. So we write 3. The next place is ones, but we don't have any digit in this place. So we hold this place with 1 0. That's how we can convert numbers from the expanded notation form or decomposing form to the standard form. That's all we have for our lesson now. Thank you for all.